Rich in flavor, it's crafted from simmering beef bones, vegetables, and herbs, infusing every drop with depth and complexity. For soups and stews, beef broth elevates sauces, gravies, and even rice dishes to new heights. Packed with nutrients, it's a powerhouse of protein, vitamins, and minerals, supporting your overall health and well-being. Savor the flavor, a journey into the world of meat. Explore the rich flavors and traditions of meat. It's a journey of taste that promises to be unforgettable. Sizzling secrets to perfect chops every time. Ever wondered what makes a dish unforgettable? It's the magic of perfectly cooked chops. Let's dive into the world of succulent delight.